Well, fall is almost here, but we still got some summer-like weather ahead.
And we kind of dealt with summer-like weather today, Alan, with temperatures in the mid-80s for some of us. We reached a high of 86 degrees today here in the capital city, 84 in Dickinson and Heidegger, 83 was the high today in Minot. But 2 days until fall as we officially ring in the new season on Sunday morning when the sun's rays will be directly over the equator. And for our Saturday, it'll feel a lot more like fall, with temperatures about 20 degrees cooler in some spots compared to today. 64 the forecast high tomorrow in Bismarck, Dickinson, Minot, Williston, a lot of cities at 64 degrees for the forecast high tomorrow. But then as we go into Sunday morning, it'll feel even more like fall, and we could be looking at some frost potential, especially in western North Dakota and eastern Montana, where temperatures will be in the 30s on a widespread basis under a clear sky. But right now we do have some isolated to scattered showers and storms moving through central and western North Dakota and eastern Montana. Temperatures are in the 60s for most of us. There are some gusty showers associated with this cell moving along Highway 2 from Culbertson towards Williston. There could be some 50 to 55 mile-per-hour wind gusts within this cell, producing a lot of lightning as it's moving towards Williams County now. Not a severe thunderstorm warning, but certainly a strong thunderstorm cell moving into parts of McKenzie and Williams County. Also, moving out of Bow Bells towards Mohall and Sherwood, there could be some 40 mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-inch hail possible with that strong cell. Otherwise, not expecting severe weather this evening with just some other isolated to scattered gusty rain showers with a few embedded lightning strikes from just south of Minot towards northeast of Dickinson, moving towards the Highway 83 corridor. So we'll see these isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms move through during the overnight hours tonight, rotating back towards the northeast as we get into our Saturday morning, and the weekend looks to be dry. But tonight, with those isolated to scattered storms moving through, look for temperatures dropping down into the 40s across much of our region, though at 50 degrees tonight in Bismarck. We will have a much stronger northwest wind in place for our Saturday with a mostly sunny sky. That'll be driving in that cooler air, the fall-like temperatures for the weekend, and that chilly start to especially Sunday, but high pressure will keep skies sunny for our weekend. Here's the expected wind gust behind this cold front. We'll see that northwest wind with gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour as early as tomorrow morning, and those wind gusts remain between 25 and even 35 miles per hour into our Saturday afternoon before decreasing into Saturday night, and that will allow temperatures to drop down into the 30s and low 40s on Sunday morning. So that's really the only potential that we have for frost over the next couple of days is Sunday morning, but then we'll rebound to temperatures in the 60s and upper 60s at that for Sunday afternoon. It's mostly dry forecast here over the next 7 days as the bulk of the moisture will be staying down to our south from Colorado and into the Central Plains and the Great Lakes region. So rebounding temperatures into next week, Alan. We'll get back into those 70s with a really nice stretch of days and fall-like temperatures for this weekend as we introduce the new season.
It'll be a very comfortable week, that's for sure.